In this video, we'll see how to make delicious, soft inside and crunchy on the outside paneer popcorn recipe. Let's get started. To marinate the paneer, we need 1/4 teaspoon turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. You can increase or decrease amount of red chilli powder as per taste. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Juice from half small sized lemon. I suggest that you add a little more red chilli powder than usual because paneer will get that taste from it. Then add some salt. Give this all a good mix and we will get our marinade, which we will apply to the paneer pieces. Here I've got 200 gram paneer cut into cubes. If you want, you can make smaller sized popcorn. You can cut the paneer pieces into further smaller cubes. So totally up to you. Coat each piece of paneer well with this marinade. Marinate the paneer for 15 to 20 minutes. To further coat the paneer pieces, here I've got some cornflakes which I'm crushing with my fingers. You can also coarsely grind these in your mixer grinder jar, or instead of these you can use breadcrumbs. So if you have breadcrumbs, use that, or if you have cornflakes, you can use cornflakes, so you can choose. Here I've got 2 tablespoons whole wheat flour or a regular Gehun ka aata. Add some salt as per taste. Give this a mix. Now gradually add water and make a paste. The consistency of the paste or the batter should be medium. If it's too thin, it would not coat the paneer pieces well. Just one tip, if you end up making it really thin, just add a little more wheat flour Gehun ka aata and adjust the consistency. Coat paneer piece first with the batter followed by breadcrumbs or cornflakes. Repeat the same steps with the other paneer pieces. Before deep frying, keep these in your refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare a dip for this. So here I've got 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of mint coriander chutney, or you can add ketchup or just chili sauce. Give this a good mix and our super simple and tasty mint coriander dip is ready. Now deep fry the paneer pieces at medium flame till these become golden brown in color. If you feel that the flame is very low, you can increase it slightly. If you feel that it's now high, you can reduce it. So this is something which you learn from experience. And once these are done, take these out and similarly fry rest of the paneer pieces or paneer popcorn pieces. To further enhance the taste of these paneer popcorns, let's prepare a masala seasoning. So for that, here I've got 1 teaspoon powdered sugar, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Do not miss sugar in this masala mixture or the seasoning mixture. Give this a good mix and then sprinkle on the paneer popcorns. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!